Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Instantly for outbound sequences and lead follow-up, full guide step by step. Visit the Instantly website to create an account. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information such as your name, email, and password. Check your email for a confirmation message from Instantly. Click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Log in to your newly created Instantly account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll see various options for setting up your sequences. Select the Outbound Sequences tab from the menu. Click on Create New Sequence to start building your outreach campaign. Choose a name for your sequence to keep it organized. Set the parameters for the sequence, including your target audience and outreach goals. Upload your leads by clicking the Import Leads button. Follow the prompts to upload a CSV file with your lead information. Make sure your CSV includes essential fields like name, email, and phone number. Review the imported leads to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once verified, click Save to add the leads to your account. Next, customize your email templates for the sequence. Craft compelling subject lines and body text that resonates with your target audience. Utilize personalization tokens to enhance engagement. Set the timing for your outreach, such as intervals between emails. Decide on the follow-up strategy based on lead interaction and responses. Configure any additional settings, such as sending limits or time zones. Once everything is set, click Launch Sequence to begin your outreach. Monitor the performance of your sequences via the dashboard analytics. Adjust your strategies based on insights gained from the performance metrics. Continue refining your approach for more effective lead follow-up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.